Hey yo, what's up? My name is Jaden. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my videos and watching my channel in general. Today I'm going to be having a very good video. Hopefully get you guys thinking with ideas. And I'm going to pretty much be giving you I'm going to give you multiple passive income ideas. Everything starts with an idea. You just got to get to it and you got to do it. So if you guys got an idea, stop this video now and go do what you got to do and be an executor. Alright? Because everything starts with an idea. But if you don't have an idea, you might want to stay in tune because I will be giving you ideas. And it's up to you what you want to do with the idea. And again, whatever I give you, do your own research on it, learn more about it, and get to it if you want to. But let me start. So one of my ideas was rent out a room. Everybody, I'm guessing some people might live in a house, some in an apartment. But if you got an extra room, why not rent it out? Make some side cash, why not? And if you guys don't know what passive income is pretty much when you're making money doing little to no effort. So my first one was rent out a room. Number 2 is gonna be affiliate marketing, which is pretty much when you, for example, you have a product and I'm presenting the product for you, and you get a sale because of me. So you're gonna get commission. So as the affiliate marketer, you make money off of commission. So that's another thing you can do. If you want to find more about that, I'm pretty sure you can go on Amazon. They have a bunch of that over there. Number 3 is dividend stocks. You see me post up dividend stocks all the time. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for those videos. We'll go watch those videos if you haven't yet. But yeah, dividend stocks pretty much is when you own a stock and you get paid by the company for owning them. So the more you have, the more you get paid pretty much. Peer-to-peer lending. Probably heard of that before. Let me not go into deep with that. You want to do your own research on that for sure. Another one you want to do is there's actually apps you can make money off of. So you want to maybe buy a profitable app and make a few bucks off of that. That don't hurt. That ain't bad. Which is just little effort doing. Same exact thing. You could there's websites I'm pretty sure you can do and you can make money off of also. So again, do your research onto that. I bet you can just type in onto YouTube good apps or good website to make money off of. Boom, 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 and you're gonna find out what you're looking for. Those of you guys wondering why I'm looking down, it's because I have my computer over here with the ideas and what I wrote down, so yeah. Next is going to be cryptocurrency. Those of you guys don't know what it is, if you have the app Robinhood, which I'll leave in the description if you don't have it, cryptocurrency is pretty much, it's called cryptocurrency. And for example, you can buy it and it never has an expiration date and you can just hold it until you make money off of it pretty much. So if you're patient, why not do it? Another one you could do is hold stocks for long term, which is similar to what I'm doing. You're gonna see gains, you're gonna make profits. So just be patient. Those are a couple ways of making passive income. I'm gonna give you a couple more. Those of you who have a car and you're not using it at the moment, why not rent it out? There's apps for that. So again, search up on YouTube how to rent out my car, and boom, you're gonna have the answer there. Life's not hard nowadays. Everything you can just search it up, and everything's right there for you. Another idea to make passive income is gonna be vending machines. Vending machines is a great way to make passive income. If you looked at my previous video, I actually put like how everything goes. I have a video exactly. I have a bubblegum machine actually, and I make passive income off of that. So if you guys are wondering how do you make money off a vending machine, you can go check that video out. There's also starting an ATM business you can make passive income on. An ATM business is pretty simple. You buy the ATM machine, you put money into the ATM machine, and you make your money by when people slide their card in, they pay that fee. That is the money you make. So, again, do your own research into that, but that's pretty much a brief description of what an ATM business is. You can also make money just by having ads in your cars. Be careful, there's a lot of people putting scams out there on Instagram, etc. So do your research very specific and know what you're gonna get yourself into. You can make passive income off subscription services. Obviously, that's not easy to do. But for example, whoever made Netflix, I don't know his name, but he made an app, put a bunch of shows, TV shows, movies, and has them there, and still till today he's making money off of things he did back then with little to no effort. Obviously, that's a whole different. You got to put effort into that, obviously, but that's just a example. You could something I've seen that's really cool is when you go yard selling and you flip stuff on eBay. So you can go yard selling on eBay or maybe even Amazon, For third-party people who sell on Amazon, you might make that little business. You buy 1,001 things on AliExpress and make another website and drop ship. You could do that. There's a bunch of ideas. And pretty much sell print on demand shirts. So for example, if there's shirts that if there's a trending topic, why not go buy a plain shirt, go to the mall or whatever it is, and there's just people that put pictures onto shirts. So whatever's trending, if you're smart and you're one step ahead of the game, you buy multiple white blank shirts and print pictures onto them and sell those shirts and you make profit. So why not try that out? So those are my passive income ideas. I honestly lost the amount of ideas I gave you guys, but that's my video on passive income ideas. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, if any of these got you guys thinking, or if any of you guys do anything. It doesn't have to be these passive income ideas. If you guys have any ideas you want to add on to the video, that would be great. Leave a like. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe. Thank you.